My name's Riley, and we're gonna make this volcano explode, and we're gonna pour this in like this.
Tap it.
Oopsie. Oopsie. Oopsie.
What are you pouring in?
Baking powder, but it's not going in.
Yeah, it's not going in. Okay, there we go.
Woohoo! And now we're gonna pour some of this
Coloring.
dye food coloring, so it looks like lava. And we're gonna do 5 drops. 1. You're not staying in here.
Squeeze it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that that's done, put this thingy-majig back on and pour this in.
Vinegar?
No, that blue thing. Oh, this will be hard.
Oh, God.
Go bye-byes. Ah!
All at once.
Whoa. Looks like a bubble bath with red dye. Yeah. Let's see.
I think we need more vinegar.
More vinegar on the way.
We need more something to go pew.
I got it.
Make it go pew. I think we need more vinegar.
More vinegar. Hurry up, buddy.
I just did a random amount.
Whee!
Just put it all at once. Okay, this better explode.
Looks like brownness. Eventually, this did not work out well.
All right.
Oh my God, this looks like it's bleeding.
Oh, yeah, it does. Maybe because we only had apple cider vinegar. Maybe we need other type of vinegar. What do you think?
Yep,
Riley?
yep.
All right, what else do you want to say?
Thank you, Mark, for this microphone. Bye.